This short video answers the search phrase, "How to buy shares of Ashland Inc." and explains the practical steps. Ashland Inc. is a specialty chemicals company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker ASH. This is an educational guide, not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker account. I will use eToro as an example to show the interface. After signing up, you will need to verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search box and type the ticker ASH to find Ashland Inc. Make sure you select the listing that shows ASH on NASDAQ so you locate the correct stock. On the stock page, you will see basic company information and a price chart. Review the company name, exchange, and ticker to confirm it is the right asset. Check the chart for recent price movement before proceeding. To invest, click Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, and review the order details carefully before confirmation. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed at the next market open. And if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before finalizing. After your order fills, your Ashland position will appear in your portfolio. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description if you want to explore the platform shown in this example.